In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert emoji in Excel. This is a simple feature, but it can be very useful when you want to make a spreadsheet more visual and easier to understand. Emojis can help highlight status updates, draw attention to important cells, or make lists feel more readable. The process only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. To begin, open your Excel sheet and go to the cell where you want the emoji to appear. Double-click directly on that cell to enter edit mode. This is important because it tells Excel that you want to place content inside the cell itself. If you skip this and the cell is not active for editing, the emoji may not go in exactly the way you expect. Once you are in edit mode, open the emoji panel on your device. If you are using Windows, press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. If you are using a Mac, press Command, Control, and Spacebar together. This will bring up the built-in emoji picker, which lets you browse and search for different emoji characters without leaving Excel. When the emoji window appears, you can either type a keyword into the search bar or browse through the available categories. For example, if you want a checkmark style icon or a smiling face, type a related word into the search field to narrow down the results. If you are not sure which one you want, scrolling through the categories is a good way to quickly review your options. After you find the emoji you want to use, click on it. Excel will insert that emoji directly into the active cell. At this point, the emoji is in place, but the cell is still being edited, so there is one final action to complete the process. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to lock in the cell value. This confirms the entry and makes sure the emoji stays inside that cell as part of the worksheet content. If needed, you can repeat the same process in any other cell. This is especially helpful for trackers, checklists, progress sheets, or simple visual labels in a workbook. Once you do it a couple of times, it becomes very fast and easy. That covers everything you need to know.